Hi, I'm David Hoffman and welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a tour of our Sea Ray 230 SPX. This boat does have the black hull side color, and it also is equipped with the 200 Mercury motor on it in the optional white paint. As you can see on the swim platform and the walkway, we have the gray sea deck, and along with that in the cockpit area, nice cool feature is the sea deck in gray, but it is a snap-in. We have the snap-in feature for it. This has, because we have an outboard motor on this boat, we have abundant storage in the area where the inboard would be. You got your table storage, plenty of storage for life jackets, any water toys, etc. Moving on to the starboard side, we have a built-in cooler underneath the seat right here. And underneath the stern seat is you have a place for a pull-out cooler that you can take to the beach as you anchor out. Plenty of storage under this seat and along the back. This is featured with a bench-style seat with the backrest that can move forward so you can lay in either direction. This boat does have a head on this boat, and it is a pump out. As we move over to the stern side at the helm, we have the 5-inch Simrad along with a couple analog gauges. We have the upgraded Fusion stereo system on this boat, and it does have blue LED lighting on the boat as well. We do have the sports tower on here. Great access. You can tie your rope right up to the top here for skiing or for tubing, along with the ski pylon in the back. As we move forward, we have a nice area here in the bow, storage underneath both seats. Nice little step-up area here to get off when you do anchor out. This is our 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX. If you'd like to see this or any other, please give me a call here at MarineMax.